This sedimentary rock from our collection fizzed when you dropped vinegar on it. That means it's limestone. That's not a rock or a mineral. Take it to the transformer and turn it into something we can examine. That's not a rock or a mineral. Take it to the transformer and turn it into something we can examine. You know the geotable routine. Wash off the sample first, and then use the magnifier to see if it's a rock or mineral. Look closely at the rock through the magnifying glass. You have three choices. Is it made up of tiny grains? Is it made up of crystals that are connected randomly? Or is it made up of crystals that are lined up neatly in bands? Click on the matching box on the panel below when you think you know the answer. Way to go! This is definitely a metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks have crystals that lock together and line up in neat bands. Now that we know this rock is metamorphic, we should use the magnifier to examine its texture. Look at the texture on the panel below and click the matching box. Cool! This metamorphic rock is very dark and breaks very evenly. It's slate. Another sample? Okay, wash it off, then find out if it's a rock or mineral by using your magnifier. So that samples a mineral. Let's do a streak test and a hardness test to find out which one. Exactly! This mineral is so hard that the streak test doesn't work. It leaves behind no color. This mineral is too hard to be scratched by the coin or the pocket knife. Oh boy! This mineral is too hard to be scratched by any of the objects on the geotable. If your test doesn't work, don't worry. You might still be able to identify a mineral, like this quartz. It has a hardness of 7, which is pretty hard, and that's why it didn't leave any color on the streak test or get scratched by anything. You know the geotable routine. Wash off your sample first, and then use the magnifier to see if it's a rock or mineral. That's a rock, all right. But is it igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic? Use the magnifier to find out. You got it! This is an igneous rock. Most igneous rocks have crystals that look like they lock together, but don't seem to be in any particular order. Now that we know this rock is igneous, there are two things we should do. Examine its crystal size and compare it with a color strip. Right! This igneous rock has large crystals. It's probably intrusive, which means it formed inside the Earth. For the igneous rock color test, look at the 3 examples on the panel below. Is it a light, medium, or dark? Click on the matching box when you've made your decision. Yes, this igneous rock's color is sort of medium. Good work! You just used the tools to identify diorite, an igneous rock with large crystals and a medium color. That's not a rock or a mineral. Take it to the transformer and turn it into something we can examine.
This Earth Kitchen is super cool. To be a rock chef, just follow the recipe. If you're not sure where to find an ingredient, check out the shakers or look through the drawers. If you need help with the Earth Kitchen, just click on me. To make evaporite, which is also called rock salt, bake some salty water or ocean water. To make obsidian, bake rhyolite on very high heat, and then make sure it cools rapidly. To make a calcite, to make galena, mix lead and sulfur. You just made galena.